cherry stained green wheel. The bowl with the white wall and the rust hill. It's your seats, reptile. See the stars through the seal. In this 7 deuce, candy butterscotch with clear seal. Plenty duckets to peel. Chick with good dick sucking skills. They ain't banging, done deal. After this, I bet you will. Please believe me. I bet they hear me before they see me. Plus I'm on one this evening. Aroma of green steaming. Vibration and just cleaning from the 1-5's beating. Vanilla cream cleaning. Jumping shot up on the scene. And we the subject, all that shoeing and kicking. Plus the potion got me sideways through the light. When I'm leaning and I'm on.
24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets.
Dirty love 1, dirty love 2. Wanging out them dunks that be Carolina blue. That old Q, boy America most wanted. That hood shit to crank them up and have them niggas on it. Got them ghost riding in the sleep. Chevy sitting high with my lot of cream seats. Beating that ball and G to make them boys lay it deep. That Mr. Mike killer instinct that can't breathe. That funk Dr. Spot compressed, no seeds. Coming out of Chevy, thing is looking 3D. Knocking candy coated things to make them boys throw D's. And hit them flow masters hard enough to make that hard wheeze. Shit to make a room boy like a shot like Junior Reed. Don't matter what you whip, you still be banging Dundee. In the middle of the street looking like money, not money. Burning throat with a bristle on the tip like Mac Boney now.
24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Never waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Best believe it, waking up the streets. 24 inch on a new vibe. Best believe it, waking up the streets.
We don't get nothing out of them no more, man. We don't get no social commentary. We ain't get no kind of knowledge out these records. Everybody just talk about how many
right now, man.
things.
You just did a 200-mile-an-hour pass in the quarter. What's your time on that?
I mean, it went 752 at 201 miles an hour, but it really real violent. But
I see you coming up a lot. So where are you sitting right now, man?
I don't know, probably like fifth.
Okay, great.
we getting there.
Well, we at there. We down here with the Kawasaki
We're
cap.
in Valdosta, Georgia, trying to get it in.
Trying to get it in. Right on Kawasaki, I see.
Yeah.
Over here with all the Kawasaki Pro Street custom bikes.
Well, Ricky's my teacher, so you know I gotta be over with the fam. You know what I mean?
That's
to get
what's
in.
up. A little bit of everything on that Kawasaki.
Yeah. Your man Richard over there.
Yeah.
Little brother over there doing his thing. Yeah, we trying to get it in.
So you got good to see you, man, brother Ricky Gasson. How's everything going?
Everything's going all right. I mean, I shouldn't complain because last year this time we wasn't even in the ballpark.
Oh yeah.
You know, and this year this time we unloaded yesterday, first pass off the trailer, haven't tested all winter with a 36 at 201. Then we came back this morning and ran a 34. And then we went, matter of fact, yesterday we went a 25 at 202, so 725. So it's there. You know, we came off the truck this morning and went a 34. So we qualify right now with a 34 number 7. So
that's great, man. Always good to see. So this is Daytona week. You just left Daytona. Tell me about Daytona. How was it?
Yeah, I left. You know what? I really don't even know how Daytona was because I was working so much when I was in Daytona. We got there on Tuesday, and I was doing all of the internet stuff for Kawasaki for their 2010 bikes. So we was filming the whole from Tuesday and it was cold.
Speaking of filming, talk to me about your show and when can people find out more about you, man?
Oh man, my show is motorcycletalk.tv.
Yeah.
You can go on the internet and see it anytime, 24 hours a day, motorcycletalk.tv. Okay. But it's going to be hitting the air, you know, going to be finding a home for it real soon. So it'll be on one of your big networks here really soon. We're negotiating some stuff right now.
Yeah.
Should have been on Speed Channel last week, but due to some technical issues that we're dealing with right now, it didn't make it. But you can expect to see it's a really cool show. It's it's more of a lifestyle show, like an Entertainment Tonight of motorcycles. You know.
Hey man, I appreciate you. Much success. How can people find out more about your show?
You can go to motorcycletalk.tv. You can go to RickyGadsden62.com. You can go to RickyGadsden.dragracingSchool.com.
Yeah.
I'm easy to find. You can even hit me on Facebook.
Hey man, appreciate you. God willing, take care of yourself, brother.